How to fix Play Store parental control. So in this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first, open the settings of your device or your phone. Open then apps. Here search for Google Play Store. Open it like this, then go to storage option and go to clear data, click OK and go back, click offer stop and click OK. And now what's next? You have to go and restart your phone like this. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another